Alright, we're on 208-6-44. If you don't know how to get it to this point right here, you need to go back and watch some of those other videos from the previous videos we've created, and now we're ready to move on and go ahead and get rid of this stuff. We've done this stuff enough now that we should be in good shape to be able to start laying things out the way we want to lay them out. Length of the part, length of the page, right side view, top view, and an isometric view. So we're good there. We'll go to annotate. I'm just going to drop some center points in on this. We'll drop some center lines in between these holes so we know where those things are at. This will be interesting for us to try something here. Let's try something real quick. See how that doesn't have any center ticks in it? So let's type LT scale. And right now it's 1:1. So let's see if we make it 0.5, what happens. See how we change it to 0.5? It makes the LT, that's a line type scale, so it changed our dashes so they're smaller there. Makes the center points smaller, the center lines look the way they want to be. And you can do that to make things look neat. Alright, so then it makes it a little easier when we want to start dimensioning things. We might want to dimension the overall length of this part right here and say I'll put that on this one. I'm going to dimension the thickness of the part on this view right here, and we'll figure out what the width is here in just a second by putting on a dimension that goes right there. It tells us what the radius is, and you can do one of two things, but in this case you probably want to double click on that. So hit escape, double click on the arrow over, and put both ends all caps, or put in 2 places, which is okay, it's acceptable. So let's see, I don't like the way that worked out. It just worked out that way. Alright, that'll be okay. And we can do the same with this one. We can put that in there, double click on it, say through, and then 2 places. So that tells us that those holes go through and they're 2 places. The other thing we might want to do is tell us what the dimensions are from here to here. And technically this is over dimensioning because we have that there and tells us it's 2 places, and we shouldn't need that. But I do believe in this case it's your machinist is not going to be upset with you on that. So that should be in it. That should be it. That should cover it. Well, I stuttered a little bit there. My fault. So go ahead and save it. Create the PDF file and submit it.